Moving along now, and happening in San Juan, Puerto Rico this week was the American Farm Bureau Federation Convention. It was at that convention that Farm Bureau and John Deere signed a memorandum of understanding that ensures that farmers and ranchers have the right to repair their own farm equipment. For more on this story, we turn to Alex Makovica. Alex?
Thanks, Bryce. That agreement formalizes farmers' access to diagnostic and repair codes, also manuals and product guides. It also ensures farmers will be able to purchase diagnostic tools directly from John Deere and receive assistance from the manufacturer when ordering parts and products. The right to repair is actually an issue that Nebraska Farm Bureau has been on the forefront of.
Nebraska Farm Bureau has been extraordinarily involved in this process of trying to get, again, legislation isn't always the answer to everything, and so we wanted to try to create a private memorandum of understanding. The Nebraska Farm Bureau members were the ones that introduced it in our policy process first. We pushed it at the American Farm Bureau level, and now we're seeing the fruits of all that work. The announcement, what it does is it really tries to provide a non-government solution to an issue where farmers did not feel they had all of the tools necessary to be able to fix their own equipment. And it's not just the fixing of it, it's not just the tools available, but it's also once they make those repairs, being able to, given everything is so computerized, being able to reset that tractor so it'll start again once those repairs are made. I think this MOU goes a long way to that. There's some really good work that's been done. We are very excited about this. This is not the end of it. This is still a living, breathing document, but certainly, from an initial standpoint, we are very excited to see where this MOU goes. And hopefully it's not just American Farm Bureau, it's John Deere, it's American Farm Bureau and all the other equipment manufacturers.
Nebraska Farm Bureau President Mark McHarg served on the advisory board to get this issue pushed through. He said John Deere was the first to hop on board, but he does hope other manufacturers will follow suit and follow suit quickly.
So originally we did talk to several other manufacturers, but John Deere did come the farthest, the quickest, so that's the reason we saw the MOU today. We have assurances from some of the other equipment manufacturers that they will engage in the conversation as well. So I'm really confident that we'll start seeing some other equipment manufacturers come on board, and that's really the purpose. But we did need to get something done up front with somebody. John Deere stepped up to the plate, and so they were the first ones, and we anticipate fully partnering with other equipment manufacturers.
John Deere's David Gilmore said the company commits to engaging with farmers and dealers to resolve issues when they arise and agrees to meet with American Farm Bureau Federation at least twice per year to evaluate their progress. Reporting in San Juan, Puerto Rico, I'm Alex Makovica.